Precision meets power in modern woodworking tools, designed for smooth edges, detailed shaping, and professional results in every workshop project. Today, we're going over the best woodworking router compact from our top picks. Delivers control, stability, and versatility for hobbyists and professionals seeking clean, precise routing in wood projects. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it.
Number 1. BOSCH PR20 EVS Compact Woodworking Router. The BOSCH PR20 EVS Compact Woodworking Router stands out as a premium choice for woodworkers who prioritize precision and long-term reliability. Built around a 1.0 horsepower, 5.6 amp motor, it delivers variable speeds ranging from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, making it highly adaptable for everything from edge trimming to more detailed routing tasks. One of its strongest advantages is the rugged aluminum fixed base, which feels exceptionally solid in hand and ensures stability during operation. The unique finger support pockets add an extra layer of control, especially when working on delicate edges or fine finishing work. Depth adjustment is another highlight, offering both macro and micro tuning, allowing users to dial in extremely accurate cuts without frustration. The quick clamp system simplifies motor adjustments or base changes, saving time during busy projects. Additionally, the angled cord exit design keeps the cable out of your workspace, which is a small but meaningful convenience. It also supports larger bits up to 1 5/16 inches, increasing its versatility. Number 2. The Makita RT0701C Compact Woodworking Router. The Makita RT0701C Compact Woodworking Router is widely appreciated for its balance between performance and user comfort. Powered by a smooth and efficient motor, it offers a variable speed range from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, allowing users to match speed precisely with the material and application. What truly sets this router apart is its rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system, which delivers incredibly accurate settings without the usual trial and error. The slim, ergonomic body design makes it easy to grip and maneuver, even during extended sessions, reducing hand fatigue significantly. It also includes a quick-release cam lock system, making depth adjustments and base changes fast and hassle-free. Another standout feature is the electronic speed control, which maintains consistent performance under load, ensuring clean and even cuts every time. The soft start function adds safety and smoothness, preventing sudden jerks when powering on. Additionally, the fixed base accepts standard template guides, adding versatility for more complex woodworking patterns.
Number 3. AVID Power Compact Woodworking Router. The AVID Power Compact Woodworking Router delivers impressive performance at a budget-friendly level, making it a strong contender for beginners and intermediate users. Equipped with an 800-watt, 6.5 amp motor producing up to 1.25 horsepower, it provides enough power for most woodworking tasks while maintaining smooth operation with minimal vibration. The router features 6 variable speed settings ranging from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, giving users flexibility when working on different materials or detailed cuts. Its rack and pinion depth adjustment system is easy to use and allows for precise height control, which is crucial for consistent results. One of its most appealing aspects is the included accessory package, featuring multiple router bits, guides, and collets, offering excellent value right out of the box. The ergonomic, rubberized grip enhances comfort, while the dual LED lights improve visibility in low light conditions. A long power cord adds convenience, and the dust hood helps maintain a cleaner workspace when connected to a vacuum. Although it may not match the durability of premium brands, it offers outstanding functionality and versatility for its price range, making it a practical option for everyday woodworking projects. Number 4. TWOWIN 6.5 amp Compact Woodworking Router. The TWOWIN 6.5 amp Compact Woodworking Router is designed for users who want power and versatility without overspending. Featuring a 6.5 amp motor with approximately 1.25 horsepower, it reaches speeds up to 30,000 RPM and includes multiple speed settings for handling different woodworking tasks. Its construction combines ABS and aluminum materials, offering a decent balance between durability and lightweight handling. One of its notable features is the efficient cooling system, which helps maintain stable performance during extended use while reducing noise compared to similar tools. The inclusion of multiple collet sizes adds flexibility, allowing compatibility with a wider range of bits. Comfort is also a priority with a rubberized handle that improves grip and reduces fatigue during longer sessions. The soft start feature enhances safety by minimizing sudden startup torque, making the tool easier to control. This router is suitable for various applications such as trimming, grooving, and edging, making it a versatile addition to any workshop.
Number 5. CtopoGo 800-Watt Compact Woodworking Router. The CtopoGo 800-Watt Compact Woodworking Router is an all-in-one solution aimed at users who want a complete routing setup at an affordable price. Built with a combination of aluminum and durable plastic, it offers decent longevity for regular DIY use. The transparent base and dust cover are particularly useful, allowing users to clearly see the cutting area and maintain better accuracy during operation. This router comes bundled with an extensive set of accessories, including multiple router bits, guides, and adjustment tools, making it ready for a wide range of applications right out of the box. From trimming and grooving to pattern work and edge finishing, it handles basic woodworking tasks effectively. The included straight and trimming guides improve stability and precision, especially for beginners. Operation is straightforward, with clearly visible scales and simple controls that reduce the learning curve. While it may not deliver the same level of power, consistency, or refinement as premium brands, its value lies in its versatility and completeness. That wraps up the top 5 best woodworking router compact. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.